Ugh, I hope I'm not getting sick. Today's video is going to be my February favorites. I was gonna say March for some reason, but we're already in March. It's March. Hi, March. I cannot wait for the summer. I love the summertime. I actually love the spring and summer. It's my favorite seasons. I am not a fall and winter gal, I gotta say. I am 100% a spring and summer person. The fall and winter makes me very, very sad and very gloomy and moody. And I like the flowers and the sun. So today's video, we're gonna be talking about all the products I was absolutely loving in February. Shout out to all of my February Aquariuses and my February Pisces. I have so many good things to share with you guys today. Every single product I'm gonna talk about is a banger, okay? Every single product is amazing. I swear by them. They have become holy grails. I love them, I love them, I love them. First though, I wanna give a shout out to these sunglasses, okay? Because Dezi just recently came out with these sunglasses and I'm obsessed with them, okay? I know I don't go out anywhere, but like I wear this in my backyard all the time. I hate that you can see the ring light, but there's just something about this color that is so, so good. I love it for this time of year. I love this shape. This has been my favorite shape that she has come out with. The on red, I have like every single color. They are my favorites out of all the different shapes or styles, shapes. And I just had to give it a quick little shout out because I love it. Love them. I love them. I have been on calls and filming all day that I feel a little bit loony. Like I need to just like unwind and watch a movie. Okay, let's talk about the Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener. I love this so much. I have mine in the shade Light. This was sent to me and this was the only shade that was sent to me, and when I first got it I was like, oh, this is gonna be too light for me, but it is perfect. It's what I have underneath my eyes right now. I don't have any foundation on. I just have this under eye brightener and some powder on top, but I swear every time I wear this I love the way it looks. It makes my under eyes look so fresh and bright and awake. I love this so much. This formula is awesome because it looks so glowy on your under eyes, but it's not greasy or creasy. Like it doesn't crease that bad, which you would think something like glowy and emollient would like kind of crease, but it doesn't because it's so, so thin. I mean, it's gonna crease. If you have like friggin' creases in your eyes, it's gonna crease, but it's not like thick and separating like some other dewy concealers. I guess because it is so light, I don't know. This formula is really awesome and I love that it has this little metal ball applicator because it's just so cooling on your under eyes, so nice. I never really use this when I'm wearing like a full face of makeup. Like if I have foundation on, I'm most likely not reaching for this. I will usually go in with some concealer. I have really been loving the Quickie concealer right now from Urban Decay, but this has definitely been my go-to when I'm not wearing foundation, which is most days, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I have to talk about this powder because this honestly, well, and this little puff, because I call this the Holy Trinity. This is Kathleen's Holy Trinity. Take a screenshot because this is so, so good. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Powder, and I've actually spoken about this powder many times on my channel. It's one of my favorite powders because it's so light, like it's so thin. The texture is so soft and it looks great on dry skin. It just kind of like melts into the skin, especially when you mix it with a setting spray. Oh my god, it just like melts right in. Such an awesome powder. I love this so much. But recently I have been using it with this guy and it makes a world of a difference. Like I love this combo. This little guy is the Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff and it's like for baking and setting. I never really use this side, but I love this side to apply my under eye setting powder. Oh my god, so good. I don't know if it's like the texture of these little fuzzies or what, but it just applies powder so beautifully. Like your skin looks airbrushed, like completely airbrushed. It just presses the powder into your skin so nicely. And guys, I have very dry skin, especially my under eyes, and the combination of this guy applied with this guy, flawless, smooth, poreless. I love it. I love it so much. And then I might as well mention the Too Faced Cloud Crush Blurring Blush in Candy Clouds because I have been wearing this on top of random blushes since I bought it. Why can't I open this? This guy. I love this. I'll wear this Kaja blush that I'm gonna talk about in a second. I'll wear the M Cosmetics Chiffon blush, which I'm currently wearing right now. And then I'll apply my under eye setting powder. And then on top of that, I'll go in with a powder blush. But this has been my go-to recently because of the formula. Not even because of the color, even though the color I'm gonna talk about in a second. But the formula of these Too Faced blurring blushes, it's really, really, really good. And I hate to say that because this is the size of a quarter. Like an eye patch. It's like the size of an eye patch. So you don't get a ton of product, but oh my gosh, the formula truly is blurring. It has like a very soft, creamy matte finish, and you can feel it like when you blend it into the skin, it just melts into your skin. And I have been wearing this blush on top of other blushes like since I bought it. I love it. I'm a blush freak now. I'm a blush freak. I used to call myself like a bronzer freak. No, I'm a blush freak. Who would have thought we would ever get here? Because that was not the case when I first started my channel. I hated blush. And now I have 2 more blushes to talk about. The Kaja Whipped Dream blushes are really, really good. I had bought this a couple months ago, but I didn't start using it until I saw my friend Jordan using it all the time on TikTok. And I would see her like open this shit and like swipe it across her face, on her lids, like all over her face. And it would look so, so beautiful. And she has like all the shades, and I pulled mine out and I have been using it and I love it. It's such a good formula as well. It's kind of like a whipped texture, but it's not like a moussey texture. It's definitely creamier than that, so I feel like it blends better. Some of the moussey consistencies, like blushes with that consistency, tend to look a little bit splotchy on my skin and like patchy, uneven, but this formula is really nice because it's like whipped but creamy at the same time, and it honestly looks good on your lids. You could just like dust it, blend it with your fingers, and it also looks really, really pretty, like lightly applied to your lips. I have mine in the shade Meringue Pink, and it's so, so pretty. It's like the perfect everyday mauve shade, especially if you're in a rush. For real, you just paint this on your face, add some to your lips, add some to your eyes, and I love that monochromatic look. It's so, so pretty, and this blends really easily, and yeah, it's like perfect for out the door. And I love the packaging. This packaging is so adorable. Okay, this blush is like my favorite blush of all time. No, it's not. No, it's not. I can't say that when my Pat McGrath Desert Orchid blush exists, and my
Picante blush exists, and my Toasted Cinnamon blush exists, and my Buxom blushes.
But I'm telling you, this is top 8, 100%. 100%. Top 8. Do you want to look like a Victoria's Secret model? Do you want to look like a heavenly kissed angel? Then you're gonna want to pick up Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in All That Sparkles, because it is the most beautiful, baby, soft, sweet, angelic pink ever. It has a slight sheen to it, so it has a little bit of a glow. It's nothing that's like too much. It doesn't overpower. It just honestly makes your cheeks look super youthful, glowy, healthy, stunning, lovely. You know what? I'm gonna apply a little bit. Yeah, I'm very blushy already, but let's just add a little bit, just so you, bro, I already have so much blush. It's just so good and like soft and angelic. You can't see much of that, can you? It's just so, magic. Soft and stunning and sheeny. It's so good. I love it. Okay, I want to talk about like the hair oil magic situation that I've been doing to make my hair grow and all that good stuff, and I want to talk about that in a second. But first, I have to mention this because we actually launched this product today when you're watching this video. We have launched our No Mess Matte over at Lacquer. We call them our nail artist mats because we are all about at-home artistry over at Lacquer. But anyway, we launched our mats that you guys have been DMing me about like crazy ever since I teased this like a couple months ago. I'm obsessed with this. I cannot do my nails without this shit. I cannot. I'm gonna show you how to use it. You guys need this, okay? If you paint your nails at home and you're a hot mess like me, you need this. Or even if you're not a hot mess. My friend Janine is a Virgo. My friend Janine, she's my cousin. I'm sorry, Janine. My cousin Janine is a Virgo, and she DM'd me immediately and she was like, listen, I'm not a mess and I need that. So I have completely destroyed my desk. You can't tell from there, but I have destroyed my desk with acetone because this is where I do my nails. You know, I'm watching like a movie, I'm doing my nails, and I have destroyed my desk. Well, fear no more, because this shit is the best thing ever. This is a rubber, like a little silicone mat. You do your nails on this, you can dirty this with like anything and it gets clean perfectly, super easily with our like non-acetone nail polish or literally any nail polish remover you have at home. You can dump pure acetone on this shit and it's not gonna mess up the design or anything, which is kind of like washing out here, but there's like little paint splatters right here. It's like super adorable. And it's seriously so helpful. You can spill a gallon of nail polish on this and it peels off. Like, it peels off. You don't even have to like scrub and clean. Your polish completely peels off of this. And fun fact, you can even like paint your polish on this, peel it off, and do like little designs with like a stamper tool and apply them to your nails. I'm gonna insert a clip, like I posted that on my stories not too long ago. It's just so crazy. All the endless possibilities with our freaking nail artist mat. And I just had to mention it in this video because you guys have been asking me to launch this for months now, and it is finally freaking here. You guys need this. It's in our cute little like brand cream color, and it's everything, which by the way, look how cool this is. This is a nail brush, like a detail brush, like for all the nail artists out there. And look at this. Oh, this is like an extra long one. And then when you want to like store it or something, you just flip it over. That is insane. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys because I'm super excited about this matte and super excited about like all our new products. Like, can I just mention Totally Jelly for 1 second? We recently launched our gel hybrid over at lightslacquer.com, our Totally Jelly No Cure Top Coat. This is basically a gel top coat that you don't have to cure. You don't need an LED lamp, like you just apply it like a regular top coat, but it gives you the results of a gel top coat, which is literally insane. I don't know if you can tell. I'll zoom you in. I need to go back to do my nails. They're like weeks old, but they are so incredibly shiny. My nails are giving Fisher Price, aren't they? But dude, this top coat is so incredibly shiny, dries super fast, and it leaves your nails like hard almost, like it dries like hard. And so I just wanted to give it a shout out because if you want super shiny, hard, long lasting nails, you need this top coat. Okay, so the last products I want to talk about are my current hair oiling routine. Basically what I've been doing to get my hair to grow. When I had COVID like back in May, it's gonna be a year. Oh my god, man, time flies. But a few months after I had COVID, I was losing my hair like crazy. Like I would brush my hair and chunks were in my hairbrush. So I went back to my Curlsmith Ultimate Lengths 30-day therapy. I've spoken about this in past favorites videos. I was using this a lot when I was getting a lot of breakage. I can't speak today. I've been talking so much. I haven't shut up today. My mouth is so dry. But I was getting a lot of breakage around my bangs, and so I was using this, and this helped my hair tremendously. So I got back on it, and I swear by this stuff. It's got biotin, collagen, amla fruit, alpha lipoic acid. I don't know. It's got a lot of shit that I don't know what's in it, but my doctor said it was okay to use it, drink it, and I've been using it, and I love this so much. I swear by it. This in combination with this has been amazing. This is the INH Got to Grow hair serum, and I'm almost completely out of this. I've got like this much left. Basically what I do is the night before I go to wash my hair, I will separate my hair in sections, and I will like completely drench my hair in oil, like mixed with water, what I'll get into. But before I do that, I'll take some of this serum and apply it to my scalp, especially like around here. And I rub this vigorously into my scalp. I like sit there and I give myself like a full-on scalp massage for a good 5 minutes. Like I get up in there with this serum because massaging your scalp is actually crucial for hair growth. Like doing this is important. I will mix together 3 different oils. I completely ran out of castor oil. I just placed my other order on Amazon that is coming like in the next few days. But I take a little bit of castor oil. This is all equal parts, by the way. So I take some castor oil, some grapeseed oil, also purchased on Amazon. I will have all of this, by the way, linked below in my Amazon storefront. I have one of those now. All the influencers have an Amazon storefront. They tell me to get one. I'm like, what is that? Had no idea. I have one now. So I'm gonna link that in my Amazon storefront. All of these products I get from Amazon. But so I get castor oil, grapeseed oil, and rosemary oil. Equal parts, and then equal parts water. Mix it all in together and put it in this guy. This is a continuous spray. I didn't think there was anything in there, but this is just a continuous mist. Any like spray bottle will do, but I got this one on Amazon as well. And basically I just like drench my whole hair in this, brush my hair, and then put it in a braid, go to sleep, and the next day I will wash my hair like regular. Well, not like regular, because I actually use my, I'm gonna insert a picture here. It's in my shower right now. I could go get it, but I'm lazy. But I like to use this right after a night of soaking in the oils because it really like deep cleans, but it's not like scrubby. It's very mild. Like you barely feel like there's any scrubbies in that. Like sometimes I'm like rubbing it in my fingers and I'm like, this is barely sand. Like there's no scrubby, but hey, it works. And I really like that, and I'll use that, and then I'll go in with my shampoo, my thickening shampoo from Sephora. It's like the HG thickening shampoo, which again, I got that shampoo because I had been losing my hair and I really like that shampoo. I will put a picture of it right here. But yeah, then I'll just wash my hair, do a deep hair mask, and bada bing, bada boom. I've been doing this for over a month now, and I've seen a huge difference. So yeah, I just had to mention those. But yeah guys, that's it. I definitely think I'm getting sick. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting like ronca, like I can't, like But that's it guys. These have been my favorite products in February. I love filming these favorites videos for you guys. They're truly my favorite. But leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite product of the month was. What has been your go-to holy grail for the past month? Let me know in the comments below. But that completes this video guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!